Turn a plastic bottle into a useful garbage collector in an easy, fast way and with few utensils. Stay until the end and learn how to do it in just 2 minutes. To start, we are going to take a plastic bottle similar to this one. The size can be as you like, but it must have this shape. Now, with the help of a ruler and a marker, we will make some lines, which will be the points that we will use as a reference to make the cuts. And you must do it in the same way as me until it looks like this. Now, with a knife, we are going to cut where we mark, until the bottle is separated in this way. Now we will take the bottom part of the bottle, and in the same way we will mark to later use a hot welder and make a round hole like this. Now we will use a PVC elbow, and we will enter it in the hole in this way, to later use glue until it is fixed. Once it dries, we will take a tube and we will cross it at the end of the elbow, and it should look like this. After sweeping instead of crouching, you can use this handmade shovel to collect the remains of garbage. But this is not all, since no part of the bottle is wasted. You can use the other half in a similar way, but using your hands to have more precision. Now I will show you some examples of how you can use both shovels. Look carefully. If you have come this far, it means that you liked it, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you are the first to receive our advice. And if you found this video useful, send it to someone who could be of help.